you are able to utilize this one intelligent technique for your customer, you are going to sell smarter, better, make more profits. Hi, I'm Sankalp and I'm the co-founder of Turnkey's Global Advertising. So today I will tell you about one smart selling tactic that is going to help you with getting more customers, and more importantly, the customers that you get are going to be much happier, so that it helps you establish your brand as well. So the idea is, why don't you focus on problem solving? The biggest mistake that we as salespeople do is to focus on the benefits of our product. Don't do that. Listen to me. Do not focus on the benefits, because your customer has this one question deep down inside their mind, and that is, what do you have for me? What is in it for me? Okay. So when your customer focus, you focus on problem solving. What is that one problem that you are solving? Okay. So let me give you an example so that it's much clearer for you. Let's say you are a digital marketer and you focus on building brands. You have a headline like this for a customer who wants, let's say, more likes on Facebook, because their primary source of livelihood, their primary source of customers is through Facebook. So here's how your headline should go. Listen to me carefully about this. Your headline goes like this: I am a digital marketer and I am going to help you get 1000 plus relevant likes in less than 30 days. Let me repeat this to you. I am a digital marketer. I will help your brand grow and you will get 1000 plus Facebook likes that are relevant in less than 30 days. If you can do this, if you can research one pain area of your customer, and if you are solving that with a metric, with a particular number, it is going to bring tremendous impact.